Welcome back, JDM fam. Thank you guys for watching. In today's video, we're going to be talking about all of the carbon that I've installed on my beautiful Boost Blue Civic Type R. I'm loving this FK8 Type R. It's amazing, it's beautiful, but I just took it through an automatic car wash, and I usually hand wash it, so it's usually perfect when I wash it. It usually looks great after the wash, no water spots. I'm avoiding scratching it going through the automatic car wash, but the other day I actually washed it in a touchless car wash, and you can see there are like spots all over the place. You can't really tell too much on camera right now, but in the dark reflections, you can see that there are like water spots everywhere. So that's really annoying. I'm gonna have to wash her up and clean all of this up. It is just everywhere. It's so annoying. And I literally just spent like, I don't know, $19 getting a car wash. So I'm gonna wash this girl up, clean her up, and then I'll show you guys all of the carbon I've installed on this beautiful FK8 right afterwards. Okay, so it's the next day. I wasn't actually able to wax any of the carbon. I didn't have time, and I was actually pretty tired. So it's time to check out the Type R, and it's looking so good. So obviously it's clean now. It looks great. I love this car. I absolutely love it. It is looking so good. And the first thing we're going to talk about is the carbon hood scoop. It was really easy to install. Definitely a great add-on, and if I didn't have a carbon hood scoop, I'd probably be planning on getting a carbon hood. But it looks really good. It contrasts with the blue paint, the Boost Blue, and it just looks amazing. So the black with the blue already is just a great combination, and then having it carbon is even better. And the limited edition Type R actually comes with a black scoop, so it's already a great look and a good add-on for a Civic Type R. Now this one is more of the OEM style. It's not the bigger scoop one at the top. I do like this one because I was afraid of actually getting more water into the engine bay, but I'm sure the bigger scoop one probably works really well to bring in air. I find that this one actually works great with letting heat out as well. When it's just sitting and you put your hand up here, you can feel heat escaping, lots of heat. So it does work well, and I'm sure it works really good when you're driving as well. And that's what it looks like with some light on it. Definitely a great upgrade, like I mentioned. It looks so good. So I do wax all of my carbon with ceramic wax, and it seems to be working great. Also, obviously, it does sit in the garage, so that probably helps with protecting the carbon as well. And with this piece, I also did install the factory gasket from the stock scoop onto this, and I think I double-sided taped it on here just to be sure that it would hold out as much moisture as it could from the corners of this scoop. And the next exterior carbon piece that I have on my Civic Type R that we're going to talk about are these Verus canards. I believe these canards have been on my car for a little bit over 2 years, and they are doing great. They look really good. Obviously, like I said, I do ceramic wax everything. And these are actually attached by VHB double-sided tape, so they're actually really strong, surprisingly. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I took this car through an automatic car wash, I think for the first time ever, definitely for the first time with all of these add-ons, all of the carbon on the exterior, and it did great. I was really happy and surprised that these canards made it, but also I have went pretty fast with these canards and they seem to be doing really good. So I believe this hood scoop was about $230, and I believe these canards were somewhere around like I think 120 bucks, 105 bucks or something like that. They were actually a pretty good buy, really good quality carbon. Obviously, these are really good carbon, but also the Varus company does show you graphs of their products actually working. So these actually came with a paper where you cut out the corner and you tape it onto the bumper with all of the lines matching, and then you install the canard. And then that way you'll know that these will be installed the right way and they will work as they were designed. The carbon looks great, and like I said, it's a functional mod, so if you ever hit the track or anything, these will definitely help. All right, the next carbon exterior piece I have are these mirror caps. These are the carbon Mugen style mirror caps. I do have the Mugen sticker on the side. I'm just a big fan of Mugen, and I do like these, so I thought I'd slap those on. I'd probably slap them on anyways, even if I just had the stock mirrors still. But I do like the looks. I think it looks great. The Mugen sticker does match the carbon somewhat, and they just look really good. So these definitely do make the car look more aggressive, because obviously these are the color of the car. So these were Boost Blue Pearl, so they really did pop, but now they're just blacked out. I mean, from afar, you're just going to see black mirrors, but if you get up close, you're going to see that clean carbon. And I just like that Mugen style look too. And I will probably get some Mugen mirror caps eventually, but I just wanted to throw these on right when I got the car. I think these were like one of my first mods, including these window visors as well. And those are Mugen style as well. They really do add on a little bit more of an aggressive look to the mirror. And obviously they're carbon, so they look good. By the way, all of these mods that I'm talking about, including all of the mods I'm not talking about, were installed on my channel in the Civic Type R FK8 playlist. So definitely check that out if you guys want to see any of these mods getting installed, or really any video or mod about my car. And the next exterior mod we're talking about are these carbon fender vents. They look so clean. These are just flat black plastic pieces from the factory, but they look so clean when they have carbon on them. I love the looks. And if you couldn't tell, I just love carbon. These look great. They finish off the stock fender vents and just make it look even better and more aggressive, as well as just more of a premium look. Something like a Lexus RCF or something would have, or like a GTR. I don't know. It just makes it look so much more premium. And I believe these mirror caps were, I think, like $90 or something like that. And I think these fender vents were somewhere around $90 to $100 as well. And now we're going to talk about some of the rear exterior carbon mods. I have a carbon fuel door right here. This is just a no-name. A lot of these are just no-name pieces you can get on Amazon or eBay. And I believe this one was, I don't know, it was somewhere around $90 to $100 as well. It wasn't crazy expensive, but obviously carbon isn't cheap. So this one was really easy to install too. It came out really good, it looks clean, and it really does make the rear look even more aggressive. And then I also have the carbon gurney flap on the wing. It really does finish off the wing and make it look better. I would love to actually upgrade this piece up here, which I might do in the future. It does add to the wing, makes it look even more aggressive, but also it's a functional piece. It creates downforce for the rear, just like the canards in the front create downforce in the front. And I believe the last carbon mod for the exterior is this carbon fiber Civic Type R license plate frame. Look how clean that is. I do wax this and it just looks so clean. I love it. All of these small mods really do add to the overall big picture and just make it look even more aggressive. And you can see here, it looks good with the Mugen license plate bolts right there. And these just go well together. Also, I do recommend these Mugen license plate bolts versus just some aftermarket cheap things. These really are high quality. They do take an Allen wrench, which is a nice little touch there.
you.